Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming iPhone 12 series is on the line, and some leaks, rumors is coming from last couple of months. But in this video, we're talking about the currently leaked specs of the upcoming iPhone 12 bigger version, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So starting with the screen, the currently and latest leaks about the upcoming iPhone 12 Pro Max. The upcoming iPhone 12 Pro Max will have a 6.7-inch big screen by 1242 by 2688 pixels, and the screen is Super Retina XDR OLED with a touch screen and around 1 billion color. The PPI density of the upcoming iPhone 12 Pro Max is 442 PPI density, and it's the scratch resistant glass orthophobic coating, 800 nits max brightness, and Dolby Vision HDR10 plus wide color gamut, true tone, and 120 Hz refresh rate. Note the last anyone like the last iPhone 11, iPhone X, and the other old iPhone does not support the highest refresh rate. So this is the first series of the iPhone which have the highest refresh rate, like 120 Hz refresh rate. So now talking about the OS, it will have the Apple latest chipset, Apple A14 5nm, and its latest operating system, iOS 14. Card slot of the upcoming iPhone 12 series, like no one support the card slot, no micro SD card, but the internal storage is 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. This is the latest storage rumors and leaks, and this smartphone come with a 6 gigabytes fastest RAM. Now talking about the camera, the upcoming iPhone 12 Pro Max is the first iPhone smartphone which have 4 camera, 12 megapixel f1.8 wide and 12 megapixel telephoto f1.8, which has 3x optical zoom and digital zoom up to 30x. The next camera is also 12 megapixel f2.2, which is ultra wide, and the last fourth one is the 3D TOF LiDAR scanner. Video recording is maybe iPhone add 8K video recording, but currently specification and leaks it says 4K at 60 FPS video recording and 1080p at 240 FPS. So the front facing camera is come with a 2 front facing camera, 12 megapixel wide, and the second one is the 3D SL camera. The front facing video recording is 4K at 60 FPS and same 1080p at 120 FPS. So the battery is not confirmed, but some rumors and leakers says it will come with a 4500 mAh battery with a fast charging, with a wireless charging as well, and maybe the fast charging is go up to 30 volt. So this is the current specs and leaks about the upcoming iPhone 12 Pro Max. The price is around $1,500 for the biggest version, like 512 gigabytes. So but this is currently leaks and specification, and some rumors says this the Apple did not confirm this specification. So let me know in the comment section which new feature of the upcoming iPhone 12 series you most like it, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.